Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Ultimate Spring Collection. Formerly Icon Box, Ipsy Ultimate is a quarterly beauty subscription featuring 8 full-size, curator-selected products worth up to $400. Use the link in my description box to sign up. Inside, we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray, Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser, Rodial Collagen Drops, Tatcha Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm, NARS Eyeshadow Quad, Life High Definition Gel Liner, Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand Duo, and the Kevyn aucoin Indecent Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. To start, we have the Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Cleanser. This is formulated with a blend of plant-based ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile, so it's supposed to be suitable for sensitive skin. Alright, I just went and rinsed that off, and I've got to say I really enjoyed the energizing sensation. It was almost minty, but it just made me feel so much more awake and refreshed. Next, I'm testing out the Rodial Collagen Drops. These are supposed to improve skin restoration and hydrate for a healthy looking glow. They also contain babasu oil and hyaluronic acid. Unfortunately, they do have fragrance, but it's a subtle sweet smell. For the final step in our skincare, we have the Tatcha Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. It's such a beautiful lip balm, and the packaging is gorgeous too. This is infused with 23 karat gold flakes, which leaves a subtle gleam on the lips. Now let's take a look at the NARS Kuala Lumpur Eyeshadow Quad. This 4-pan palette retails for $55. Let's swatch it. They have such a lovely velvety texture and the shimmer is stunning. First, I'm dipping into the third shade. I'm applying this to my crease. Unfortunately, there aren't any matte shades in this palette, so the overall look is going to be quite shimmery. Next, I'm picking up the 4th and darkest shade. I'm applying this to the outer V, just adding some depth to the look. After that, I'm grabbing the 1st and lightest shade. I'm applying this to the front of the lid. It gives a beautiful golden touch. Finally, I'm using the shimmery shade. I'm tapping this on the center of the lid. After that, I'm trying the Life High Definition Gel Eyeliner. This is a duo set with 2 fun shades, Blueprint and Galaxy. I'm applying the shade Galaxy to my lash line for a pop of purple. Now let's apply the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Beauty Blush Wand. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. I really love these blush wands, and today I'm just going to use the matte one. They blend like a dream and look so beautiful on the skin. Finally, I'm applying the Kevyn aucoin Indecent Mascara. This features a cone-shaped brush. It claims to do it all: volumize, lengthen, curl, and define. However, I don't see anything about it being waterproof. Here's the finished look using products from the Ipsy Ultimate Spring Collection. Let me know your favorite product from the box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.